Today, I want to show you how to prepare Marmite Chicken, a chicken dish that is made by the yeast extract Marmite with an Asian twist. The Chinese think that the flavor of Marmite is too intense to eat it on toast, and therefore incorporated it into a sauce and use the sauce to coat the chicken. That's how Marmite Chicken is being created. In this video, I want to show you how to prepare it step by step. I'm KB Kwan. Thanks for joining me. I'll start the preparation of this Marmite Chicken by marinating the chicken meat. And I want to marinate it with 5 ingredients over here. Some cooking oil, light soy sauce for the flavor and a little bit of saltiness, white pepper as a seasoning, some Chinese rice wine for the flavor as well as to tenderize the meat, and cornstarch so that the seasoning will cling on to the chicken meats. Now these chicken meats are not very big in size. If you are using bone-in and skin-on chicken chunks, you have to marinate it for a little longer. For this, I only need to marinate for 30 minutes. So I will put it into the refrigerator right now. While we are marinating the chicken, let's prepare the Marmite sauce. So as the name goes, this is Marmite, and the bottle looks like that. And if you can't get Marmite, you can get another brand called Vegemite from Australia, made in Australia. Besides Marmite, we have to add a few more ingredients to constitute the sauce. Here we have some sesame oil, light soy sauce, honey, and maltose. So this is my maltose. The word is in Chinese, but it doesn't matter. It's maltose, which is a kind of sugar that is quite thick. Can you see that? We use maltose because it is thick and we want the sauce become thick enough to cling on to the chicken. It is quite thick and it's hard to pour, so I'm going to pop into the microwave to heat it up a little bit. Okay, I'm back from the microwave oven and now it is much easier to pour. So I add the maltose inside and the honey, and I would like to add a little bit of hot water. Alright, so this is the Marmite sauce that we will use it to coat the chicken after deep frying the chicken. I'm gonna put it aside and now we proceed to deep fry the chicken. Now this is the chicken that's marinated for half an hour and we're gonna deep fry the chicken. But before that, I would like to add a little bit of egg white to the chicken. Mix it well. I have some cornstarch over here and a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. I would like to add this into it and mix it up. Baking powder is a leavening agent. It helps to make it more crispy. And then coat the chicken with the mixture of baking soda and cornstarch. We are going to deep fry the chicken. Shake off the excess of the cornstarch and put it into the oil and deep fry about 8 to 10 minutes or until it turns golden brown. Flip the chicken over from time to time to ensure even browning. Once the chicken pieces turn golden brown, remove from oil and drain on paper towel. Now it comes to the last step of preparing the Marmite chicken. This is the Marmite sauce that we constitute earlier and reduce the amount a little bit because now it is too diluted. If we put the chicken in this diluted sauce, the chicken will become soggy and no longer crispy. Let the sauce boil for a while and let it thicken. I think now should be okay. So now I will return the fried chicken back to the pan and give it a good mix. Let the thick sauce coat the surface of the chicken. By doing this way, the chicken will still remain crispy. Switch off the stove and it is now ready to serve. Look at it, there is no longer any diluted sauce in the pan anymore. And you can decorate it with a few pieces of red chili and some sesame seed on top. Best to serve with plain rice. I've just shown you how to prepare Marmite chicken. You can get the recipe by following the link right in the description below the video. And if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until the next video, I'll see you again. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.